Everyone, this is Stealth. Welcome back to Motor Gear Solid. I'm right here with the Yamaha R3. What have I done since the last video? I've put on these TRT frame sliders. They're cut, so you have to drill a hole. I put on these signals. I also wrapped the forks in carbon, just temporarily. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Added this exhaust slider, and also changed the throttle tube to the R6 throttle tube. And then I'm going to show you guys how to install it, and then we'll do a review on the difference. Okay, now let's take out, there's a couple screws in it here. Okay, so that's the cover coming off. Keep that safe. Remember, this is the screw that has the washer, the bottom plate. Okay, now that screws out, you can open up the assembly, tuck that away. What you want to do is you want to take these throttle cables out of this slot here. Okay, add it out, and then it should lead out to the other one. Here's a new throttle tube for the R6. I was told to take this plastic piece out since it's not needed. Okay, so I just cut off that plastic thing that was wrapped around right before the edge here. So it looks like the two throttle cables are in. So the R6 throttle tube has been installed on the R3. You see it has that quick play still. Check different steering positions because it might be tight. So if you install this and it gets stuck, it doesn't return. So loosen this nut here, and then tighten this so it's like less space in between the thread and the two nuts. So it happened to me. So the gap was a bit bigger. So I just loosened the nut and I twisted it and then tightened the nut back. May or may not happen, depends how the throttle cable is set on your throttle out of the factory. Now it has a quick return on every position, because I had the issue where I pull the throttle and it just gets stuck, so I had to sort that out. So now that the R6 throttle tube has been installed on the R3, now I'm just going to install the TST bar ends. Just a little bit of extra added protection if the bike were to ever drop. So I got the R6 throttle tube installed. You're gonna see the difference. I got this off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get one. It's a really easy install, as you saw. If you get the throttle sticking, you just make the little adjustment and it should be fine. I've already ridden it, so I'm just gonna give you a breakdown of how it feels. It feels damn good. Even though it's like a small radius change, it's not like too drastic if you actually see it, like the actual throw distance. It makes a significant difference when you're turning the throttle. Yeah, it's so much nicer. So much nicer. Wow, you barely have to turn your wrist to get all that extra power. It's nice.